do the shaking back and put the freshness back. You do the shaking back and put the freshness back. Because if your carpet smells clean, your room does too. The next time you vacuum, remember what to do. Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you are returning. Thank you very much for clicking on this video, and as you can tell from today's title, I'm going to share with you, let's pop that up there, I'm going to share a quick B&M haul with you. So me and my partner went out earlier and did our shopping, and we popped into B&M. We went in there specifically for a garden hose pipe and came out with everything but the garden hose pipe. So I thought I'd share with you what I picked up. So let's get straight into it. Before we start, actually, as you can see, I have my drink here. It is a Sunday and I am enjoying a nice gin. And I really wish taste television was a thing right now, because I would be sharing this gin. No, actually, would I share it? I think it's too nice to share. I'll show you what it is. So, we went to Aldi yesterday. This is aside from the B&M, but it's got to be shared. For all those gin lovers out there, get yourself to Aldi and get yourself this Hay Smith's mango and passion fruit gin. As I said, I bought this yesterday and I have already very much dipped into this. This is beautiful. So get yourself to Aldi, peeps. So anyway, as this video is about, let's get straight into the stuff from B&M and I'll show you what I picked up. So starting with cleaning products, I got this, which is Dishmatic Value Pack. It comes, I do already have the head, not the head, the handle part that you fill up. But in B&M, for some reason, they didn't do the refills on their own. So I just picked up a new one. And I think what I might do is keep this one in the kitchen because it's got a black handle, so it will suit the decor a little bit more. And then use my one that I've got currently in the kitchen and use that for the bathtub. So I picked that up. My partner has destroyed the receipt, so I'm going to try and remember as best as I can the prices. So I'm pretty sure this was £3.99, which it comes with the handle and the brush head, and then you also get 6 additional refills, so that is really good. Then moving on, let's do bathrooms. So I picked up these. These are both just toilet bleaches. I'm normally a massive fan of the Harpic Pine, but whilst I was in there I saw these flowery fragrances, and I've recently bought some different Zofloras and Fabulosas and gone for more floral fragrances. So I thought, let's move away from the Harpic Pine and let's give these bad boys a go. So this is still going with Harpic, but it is the Plink. It is the Pink Blossom Active Fresh. So actually, let's give it a little smell right now. Okay. I don't know if bleach is particularly recommended to sniff, probably not, but anyway. And then this is the Duck Deep Action Gel Fruitopia. Let's give this one a little whiff. Along with this, me sniffing these bleaches and drinking my gin, I'm going to be as happy as Larry. Not really getting Fruitopia from that, I'm just getting bleach. We'll give them a whirl anyway. And they were £1 each. Then moving on to carpet, thought I'd give this a go. It is the Dr. Beckman Carpet Stain Remover. So I've heard good things about this, and it comes with the brush attachment so that you can really scrub that into the carpet. And I've seen quite a good reviews of people using these and getting stains out. So it says, if it spills, it can stain. With its powerful oxy-formula and built-in brush, Dr. Beckman Carpet Stain Remover effectively removes heavy soil and unsightly spills such as red wine, coffee, fruit juice, grease and other common hazards. So if this can remove red wine, I'm sure it can remove a little bit of dirt. So I picked that up. I'm pretty sure that was either £2.99 or £3.99. I think it was £3.99. So I grabbed that. Keeping with the carpet theme, I got the Glade Shake and Back in Magnolia and Vanilla. I've been after some Shake and Back for a while now, so I'm going to Put that over, get my stains out, get the carpet smelling nice and fresh, and do that. And then this is the dupe to 1001, I think it is, and they do the foam carpet where you foam your carpets, leave it to sink in, and you don't need to vacuum it up or anything like that. But Fabulosa do their own version of it, and I've been meaning to pick this up on quite a few occasions now and give it a go. So I've got the one in Wild Rhubarb, and it is a foam freshener for carpet, upholstery and room freshener. So basically all you do on here is you shake it, foam it onto your carpets and leave it. There's no need to vacuum it or scrub it in or anything like that, and it's a quick drying foam. So that is that. I'll be giving that a go. Prices, the shake and vac was £1 and this was also £1. So really cheap, nice and affordable to just shove on your carpets and hopefully get a nice fresh smelling room. Moving quickly on, got some vegetable OXO cubes. I'm trying to incorporate more vegetables into our weekly diet because apart from our roast on a Sunday, we don't really eat vegetables. I mean, we have like peppers and mushrooms and stuff like that, but good hearty greens we don't really go for. So I've been looking at a few recipes recently and got a few recipes incorporating more carrot, broccoli, cauliflower, peas, stuff like that. And a few of them were like terms of bakes, so they were like pasta bakes or mash pies and stuff like that. And a tip that it said on it was to crush a vegetable OXO cube on the top, roast it so it's got a nice crumb on top, so I'm going to give that a go. That was a really long story for some vegetable OXO cubes, but there you go. Okay, moving on. So we can never go shopping without picking up some treats for our Herbie Doo, so we either come home with a new toy or some treats for him. So I picked up, I'm really not doing very well at the minute, so this was also £1 I think, or yeah, £1. Cheap. So moving on, we've got these Zenda sticks. He loves his Zenda sticks and we always give him one just before we leave the house so he takes it off somewhere and chews through that. So this has got 28 sticks and it is for the larger breed dogs, and this I think was £4.95 for a 28 pack of pedigree dentist sticks. So we've got those because he has those every day. Then I picked up some Baker's Rewards variety, delicious meaty treats. And then finally for him we picked up Scooby Snacks 4 meaty hot dogs. So they are just like this. These were £1 and these I think were £2, £1.49 or £2. I'm really sorry that I've not got exact prices, but as I said, we don't have the receipt, so I'm just trying my best. Okay, moving on. So the last couple of products, I got the Argan Oil Leave-In Heat Defence Spray. I've had this quite a few times before. I have used it and gone through quite a few bottles. So yeah, basically when I'm curling and straightening my hair, I'll just spray it in on the ends and leave it in. I can't really say, I mean this one claims to be hydrating, nourishing and cleansing. I've used quite a few different heat defence sprays, all different brands, prices from different places, and I can't say I've ever noticed any different. And to be honest, I don't even know if they even help your hair in any way, because you're putting all that heat on it. I don't know how a few spritz of this is going to help, but it's one of those things that you go along with thinking that it is going to do some miracle and you'll never have a split end again in your life. I'm pretty sure this was £1.49. Again, really cheap and affordable. And then the final product, which I'm quite excited to try, they had no concealers, but they had this, which is the same packaging as Estee Lauder. It's by W7, which is a brand that I've heard of, and it is in B&M. They do quite a few other things, and it's the Legend Lasting Wear Foundation, and I got it in the colour Sand Beige. This I'm probably going to just put on a little brush, like use it with a little brush and just dab it as concealer. I'm not probably, well, I may use it as foundation to be honest, but I mainly just got it so that I can just dab it on trouble areas and just use it as a concealer. Hopefully it gives me the coverage that I need. And this was only £3.99, I believe it was. So that was everything that I picked up from B&M. So I hope to see you again real soon, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions, please leave them down below and I'll get straight back to you. And please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel because I really, really do appreciate it. Thank you again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you again real soon. Goodbye.